Hey, you tour. It's your boy Domination. This is Back in the Basics, and you know, and welcome to a brand new season, and we'll welcome back. You know what I'm saying? All new season, man. There's no other place. There's no other place that you don't get at. The only place you get it back to basics. I know y'all miss me. I know you do. I know you do. I know y'all do. I know y'all do. But you know, we talk about issues, the struggle, pain, and all the only topics is not about. But today we gonna bring to you talking about you see what you get. And what I'm talking about right here, man, you know, think this world, man. I'm telling you, you ever notice it? This world is really fucked up, man. People scared to be themselves anymore, man. Everybody gotta be the next man and be the, you know, and everyone gotta be the next woman. You know, everybody's scared to be themselves. They have to be this you know, this acting roles they gotta do. And you know what I'm saying? I can't stand, you know, the fake ass shit. They wanna fake it till they fucking make it. Now that shit pissed me off. You know what I'm saying? And you know, and I know this shit because I seen this shit every day. You know what I'm saying? Special departments I live. You know what I'm saying? In the city that I'm living on, I don't know about the other cities, but in Dallas, let me tell you, there's a lot of bullshit going on. You know what I'm saying? And I don't know these other places, man. You know, a lot of people afraid to be themselves, man. They gotta be with any other ass motherfucker. I'm gonna be me. I don't give a fuck if no man don't like that shit, then fuck you. And I'm telling anybody, don't be afraid to be yourself, man. Be yourself, man. Don't try to be like anybody else but you. If the women can't want you, then fuck them. You know what I'm saying? Because they dumb out in the fucking head, just like the niggas do, man. The brothers, man. I'm telling you, man. A lot of people just scared. These motherfuckers scared to be who they are. Excuse me, I ain't got to do all that cussing. But a lot of people just scared to be who they are. Don't ever be afraid to who you are. It's what's inside, man. And I don't know who told them all this extreme information about you gotta have money, the status, the quo, and all this other stuff that you gotta have. Yeah, it might be a little cool and all that, but we all know that's a lie. Because anybody that's, you know, and that's why they always say, you know, money can change people, man. It can change people. It can affect their minds like on drugs and alcohol, man. It changed their mind. Drugs and alcohol, man. Because people rob their brothers, rob their sisters, and rob their mother. Even rob their goddamn fathers, man. Money is the rule of all evil. I don't care what no one says. Because if it's wrong, why do you think they been hearing the word Illuminati? If y'all people don't know what it is, looking on that history, you'll find out what that meant. That meant is people died for on this country just for only to get the money. You know what I'm saying? People just don't care anymore, man. That's just a fucking problem. Is that they don't want no change. It don't matter if it had nothing. It don't matter if it's the government or it's the people. It's everybody, man. I feel like we on hell on earth right now. That's what I feel like. People try to pretend like this shit like they don't want to, but they better pay attention and realize what's really going on. Because let me tell you, what's really going on. Because God showed me this shit every day. I mean, you seen on Maury, you seen all that shit, and you know that it's not about 2-parent home anymore. That's sad, man. It's 1-parent home. Every man and every woman for themselves, man. That's just really fucking sad, man. And to me, I gotta go somewhere in life, man. Fuck that job that I'm working at. Fuck that. And because I got something that way more options. I gotta go as soon as I get to that fucking college. If it don't work, then I gotta move something. Because I gotta do something with my life. I'm not gonna sit here and just work in that damn place like you know, like I flipping backyard burgers all fucking day, just like expect nothing, know what to happen. You can't even make a single red dime off of it. And fuck the school that I went there. You know what I'm saying? That, you know, everybody got to be in the clique thinking they better than you, they dress better than you, and they look better than you, they talk better than you, get more chicks than anything. Even the women don't want you because the things you don't have, a lot of stack of paper and all that. And you know, fuck these bitches, man. Word up, man. These women all fuck up in the head. And it's not just for the women like that, it's the fellas like that. We the same way too. We don't know what we wanted to do. You know, it's because we try to follow up, try to be just to get some ass. Why you think, you know why these brothers trying to get chain and jewelry and money and all that? One thing, get some ass. What else they gonna do? Because of shit, I do it too. If they that dumb, but I wouldn't keep them every 24 weeks like they do. I'll leave the bitch. Just boom. If I was back at the old me. But you know, I'm changing all that, man. I don't even do that shit no more. You know what I'm saying? You see what you get. People see and they get it. You know what I'm saying? That's just the way it is in this world, man. But one thing people gotta know, you can't change everybody what everybody wanted. It's always about what you want. It's not what they want. I don't think about them. I think about me. That's what I'm thinking about. Myself. You know what I'm saying? Because I know I made some stupid mistakes in my life, but I try to be a better man, better person. You know what I'm saying? And, you know, always be yourself, man. Don't try to be nobody other but you. You know what I'm saying? If people can't like you to be you, then fuck them. You know what I'm saying? Just stick it to them. Stick it to their face and they gonna realize that. For real. Don't let anybody tell you that. For real. If you want to make it in this world, man, do it. Do it. It's just like, you know, stepping on pure rocks and stones, man. You know what I'm saying? One day you're going to be way up in the sky, man. Because I'm telling you, it was heaven on earth. But now it's just like hell on earth. People tell them how you going to hell because shit. They ain't got to tell me. I'm already in hell. I need to be in heaven. This should have been heaven on earth heaven on earth a couple years ago. Now it's not. It's hell on earth, man. They don't want no better jobs. They don't want people trying to make a better life. They don't want nothing. All they want is just everything. They trying to get every little bit for themselves, for everything what you have and what you got and what you don't. If you don't got anything, oh, you ain't shit. You ain't nothing. But you always somebody. I always somebody, even though I'm not nobody. But I ain't got to change the fact that anybody. People gonna set me to who I am. I don't give a damn. It don't matter what you do, what you not do, whatever, man. Be you. Don't let anybody tell you that, man. Also, you know what I'm saying? Because you know there's haters everywhere, man. Full of haters. That's why we people vent the word hater. You see them haters flocking by. You gonna see them. You definitely gonna see them. And that's what they're going to think of you too. Even if you got a little bit of everything and all the things you had, they're still knocking on you, knocking down on you, man. But what's in family, what's the most important, more money and then career? It's always family comes first and friends. If you had true friends and everything around you, don't get the fake ones, man, because they fly away like a crack of bugs, man. Get away from them. Family and friends always come first before successful money, everything. Whatever you want to do in life, do it. Do it to the fullest of it. And this goes out for anybody out there, man. Be yourself, man. Don't try to fake it till they make it like these punk motherfuckers are doing. Make me sick, man. Make me sick in my stomach. They trying to be anybody else, but not trying to be anybody. Just do it. Do it to the pushing to the right to the limit. And then you know, one day it will come. Everything gonna come. God Almighty, everything. And that's all the topic I'm bringing to the day. People see what they get, and they get what they want. And it's your boy Domination. This is Back of the Basics. Chunk them dudes, because that's how we do it in Texas, baby. That's all it is. That's what we do. Alright, man. See you. Till next time.